Welcome to Bloom's. Why the need for carpentry servicing? Because it is cheaper than a full makeover. Sliding door rollers and rails deteriorate over time. Our carpenter is replacing and realigning them. Here, there's a cost-saving option of just replacing the kitchen cabinet panels. Repairing and servicing old wardrobe drawers. Our carpenter meticulously replaces the old guide rails with new. We do not rush through work to ensure installation is done correctly.
好，这个可以用吗？
Customers have the option to purchase the replacement parts themselves or task Blooms to do it.
因为它这个碰法不一样。
这个买一个大概多少钱呢？
现在应该是8块多9块。
Book a video call to show us your issues or scope. I'm Mr. Blooms. Thank you for watching. Cheers and take care.